Well, hey everybody, here go Miss Curly's puppies. She got 6 boys and 3 girls up in here. First pick of those boys has been reserved. Puppies, can you hear them? Puppy, what are you doing? He's like, I'm gonna find mommy. She's over here. Puppy, what are you, the Christopher Columbus of puppies? You just gonna sail off on your own? You better learn to stay with the herd. You better learn to stay with the herd, pup. Come on over here. Come on over here and stay with the herd. There you go. Thank you, pup. What can I tell you about them? Oh, happy birthday, puppies. They are 1 week old today. Happy birthday. Mommy is still with them 24/7, although I've noticed Curly, she doesn't believe in staying with her puppies quite as long as Casey and even Gibbety. Yeah, she's out eating and pottying right now. If I let her, she'd sneak away more often, kind of thing. She definitely wants to rejoin the herd in our great room. Yeah, she wants to be out there with us, sitting watching TV and whatnot. She does. She's like, these puppies are fine. I got them, but I need a break. Yeah, you need a break. All right. Well, I'm not gonna let this drag on. I just wanted to give you. Let me put my hand out. Yeah. What? Puppy's still got a way to go. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on now. Hold on. I got you. Hold on. What? Man down. Oh, come back here, Christopher. Where you going? Pup. Puppy. Oh, there goes Christopher again. Puppy. Who are you? My name is Sir Edmund Hillary. I'm climbing to Mount Everest. Yeah? Alright, well, let me go get Christopher back over here. Let these kind folks go. Take some photos. I'll send those out to Miss Rachel. What? Who barked at me? Alright, hold on a second. Did we say we needed visitors? Duke and Jazzy. Did we say we needed visitors? Alright, I got them. Go on now. Alright, folks. Talk to you next time.